In today's world, home sellers believe that all they have to do is put a sign in the yard, 10 people will show up, and that will create a bidding war. But you know, the one true way to get your home sold for the right amount of money and in the right amount of time is to create a strategic plan. When I was in the corporate world and I owned a chain of restaurants, I used strategic planning to be successful. And in fact, I trained many other executives on how to use it. In a very simple way, what strategic planning does, it takes you from point A to point B, and it shows you what you should be working on versus what you shouldn't. A great way to make strategic planning work for you is to use something called a SWOT analysis. How I do a SWOT analysis is I identify your home's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And with me coming in from the outside as an expert, I can take a look at your home, not have any of the emotions that you have about it, and give you my unbiased opinion. Sometimes what people think is a strength about their home actually isn't. And sometimes what they think is a negative is actually a positive. My technique is simple and effective, but most importantly, it gets the job done. You live in Southwest Washington and you need to sell your home? Call me. Let's talk about how strategic planning will work for you.